Samsung Galaxy S23 series will be coming with a free pre-order offer as a storage upgrade. Plus, we also have a new render leaks for the cases of the S23 series. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, we already know that Samsung is going to be increasing the price of their S23 series, particularly in Australia, Europe, South Korea and many other countries, whereas in the US, the pricing is expected to be remaining the same. However, the company could compensate for the price hike with a special pre-order offer. According to a reliable leakster, Ronald who spotted a specific terms and condition on the Samsung UK business website. According to his information, the pre-ordering of the Galaxy S23 series devices will allow the buyer to free upgrade to a higher storage variant without any price hike. For example, if you pre-order the Galaxy S23, you will be paying 128GB variant and you will get a 256GB of variant without any additional charges. Similarly, the case with the S23 Plus and the Ultra, because they were coming with a 256GB of a base storage, 512GB of upgrade with the same pricing of 256GB, which is going to be a great compensation. Plus, on top of that, if you are in the US and some other markets, you even get a $50 credit for you to be utilized. Not only that, in some other countries, you even get a Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Alongside with that, you can even get the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro in some countries, which is going to be pretty amazing. Honestly, to justify the pricing, Samsung is giving you the compensation with these upgrades. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you happy about the pre-order gifts and storage upgrade? Now moving forward, there is another leak today arrived for the Samsung Galaxy S23 series protective cases. Renders has been leaked, which confirms the design, the look and the color option for the S23 series cases. The leak showcased a silicone case with an S23 series coming in navy blue, green, pink, cream, bright orange and clear case. There is also the second case, which is the S-View flip cover, which is coming in black, green, pink and cream. The renders also reveals the other side of the S-View cover, and as usual, it has the credit card or the money holder. Not only that, we also have the strap case, which is going to be coming with the navy blue color. Alongside with that, an orange strap is going to be coming, which is similar to the last year S22 series strap cover case. If you're interested to see the camera sample of the S23 Ultra cameras, here is the video. Do check them out as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.